I dreamt last night of my true love. All in my arms I held her tight, but when I awoke she was not there. I was alone without her. Her yellow hair like locks of gold come jingling down my pillow. She is the one that I love best. She's like the weeping willow. You've caused your parents to bear me a grudge and treat me most unkindly, because you're of some high degree, and me so poor and needy. I went up to her father's house, inquiring for my darling. Her father said, she is not here. I've none such in my keeping. But when she heard my lonely voice, she answered at the window, "Oh lover, oh love, it's I'd be yours, but locks and bolts do hinder me." I stood a moment all amazed. I viewed her long and tender. My passion flew, my sword I drew. I swore that house I'd enter. The blood was shed from every side, till I got her from among them. All young women with loves like mine should fight till you can win them, should fight till you can win.